with the sundress on and the city at your feet. I want